Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu. I am working as a network security engineer. I joined NetMinion for the LTM course and Python for automation. The course curriculum was done in such a way that it covers all the modern day issues, and the session was very interactive with Radhe Verma sir. The labs were easily available for me all the time, and the training videos are also available to me, and I can access it anytime I want. It's not like I have to get it on a particular time slot. So they are available with me over the portal and by some other means. Also, the trainer at NetMillion are very highly qualified, experienced, and very cooperative. The knowledge given to me by Radhe Varmasam is very helpful to me during training. He solved all my doubts related to and of the topic also. So this has more than met my expectations. A wonderfully practical course, both professionally and personally. So my overall experience was very good, and I highly recommend to join the NetMinion solutions to differentiate yourself from others because I can see a little bit of difference on myself. Thank you.